Hey guys, Huxley here with another blog. Okay, or vlog, whatever Henry's calling them, that's what they're whatever. Okay, so today we're gonna talk about my weird ringtones. Okay, first I get my phone, which is on the table. I got it, and I set the phone up. Okay, so I apparently have the weirdest ringtones compared to everyone else. So I want to know what you guys think. Let me see which one it is. No. Wait. Here it is. Here's the first one.
Pick up your phone. Ringtone, 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 pick up your phone.
Yeah. That's when somebody calls me. Okay, and then I think this is when Henry calls me. No. No.
Ringtone.
No. Yeah, this is when Henry calls me. Yeah. And then when somebody texts me, this is it. Okay. And last one, when my mom calls me. Yes. Leave a comment below what you thought of my ringtones and a comment of what your ringtone is. Okay, bye. Bye. Here's my eye. And my